And hello there again, fancy folks. This is Mixer Wars and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is something from the movie of Hathaway. We have from the HGUC or Universal Century, we have the Messer Type F01. And yes, I do have something unboxed previously, which is related to Hathaway and the movie. And yes, it was a card game, and this guy is one of the card units there. And of course, this is a mass-produced heavy mobile suit for the Mafty. And yep, as you can see, the box art is from the Hathaway, and he looks very awesome right here. Off to the side, here it is, front and back, some accessories you have, some cool poses you can do, and of course, some gimmicks. The other side is more of a information about the Messer Type F01, and here it is, fully assembled and all in its glory. And seeing what's inside this very big box for an HG, I'm not sure why it's really big. Right. We have one bag with reds, black, and some of that reddish brown color. We have another bag which is all black, another bag with the red, and a clear yellow. This might be a very big mobile suit once assembled. And again, another bag, we are coming back from that browns and a multicolored one. And lastly, we have here the standard instruction manual for a Universal Century. And this is from the movie of the Hathaway, which is oh, it can be seen. Whatever. Alright, so it's a heavy mobile suit, Messer Type F01. And here it is, if you complete assemble it, and of course a color guide. Now let's take a look individually at each of the screws. Alright, so first off we have the A screw, which is a multicolored screw of some dark red, dark browns, light browns, a darker shade of red, and of course yellow. We also have a B1, which is that shade of red, a B2, same shade of red, and lastly a B3, same shade of red. And of course we have a C1, which is going back to the browns, and a C2, which is also brown. Then we have the D1, which is all black. We see some machineries, some parts of the guns. For the D2, some inner framings here. And lastly, for the D3, we have some inner framings again. And of course, we have a clear lightsaber and some foil stickers. And good thing, it's only a small foil sticker. And of course, again, we have the instruction manual. And there you have it, kind of fancy folks. That was what's inside the box of the HGUC Messer Type F01, which is a heavy mobile suit mass-produced for MAFTI in the Hathaway Gundam movie. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing, and until next time, see you and thank you.